How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to appear offline on both apps so no one can see when you're online on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings from the options that appear. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Active Status. Following this, toggle off Show when you're active to turn off your active status on Facebook. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Turn Off to confirm. From here, close Facebook and open the Messenger app on your Android device. At this stage, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After this, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. Once completed, tap on Active Status and toggle it off just like you did on Facebook. Finally, tap Turn Off to confirm and your active status will now be hidden across both Facebook and Messenger at the same time. Keep in mind that once your active status is off, you also won't be able to see when others are active either. And that's it. If this guide helped you go offline on Facebook and Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.